Are you looking for a way to make money online just by playing games on your mobile phone? Then you are in the right video. In this video, I'm going to show you two awesome applications with which you can play games on your smartphone and make money out of it, and you can easily withdraw that money to your PayPal account. And this is something which is the best thing to make money online because everyone enjoys playing games and it is a fun way to earn some extra income online, and you can do anything with that extra money. Have yourself with a good dinner. Okay, so this is going to be really interesting. So if you are interested in this video, smash the like button and smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you. So now let's get started into our awesome video. So guys, we are into our computer screen, and the first game which you can play and make money is known as Cash Bird. Okay, it is available in Android smartphones. So if you are an Android smartphone owner, then you can make money with this application, and probably this application may also be available in the Apple devices. Okay, you can see earn real cash. Okay, you just need to play this game and you could be earning real cash with this website. Okay, as well as it is really simple game and easy, and the best thing about this application is that you will be paid in your PayPal. Okay, receive money in your PayPal. You can see a lot of people are making a lot of money with this game. Okay, and the thing is that you can even withdraw $1 with this, and that is the best thing about this application. Okay, and you can be making money just by playing games. So if you are commuting to your 9 to 5 job and you are having some time extra, then you can just play this game for 5 to 10 minutes and make money. Even I'm also gonna show you one more application which you can utilize to make money in your free time. Okay, which is really good and awesome. Okay, you can see it is really simple and easy to use, as well as a lot of people have downloaded this application, and you can see it is given 4 stars. Okay, so many of the people are making money with this application, so its rating is also very high. You can see it's the latest arcade game, as well as all the other features are given over here. Best money earning game. You can see earn money while playing the game, tap play and earn money. Okay, so you can just tap your screen and start making and earning money, which is really simple utilizing this game. Okay, so you can see over here all these things are written and you can download cash. Okay, that is the best thing, and that is one of the things which is really awesome. I never found a game which really pays you money, which is really easy to play and it is really good. Okay, so you can see I like this game, really challenging, as well as you can see the minimum $8 is the minimum payout which you can easily cash out. Okay, so that is the thing, which is you just need to play this game for 1 or 2 hours and you would be probably able to cash out this money from this game, which is really awesome. And the size of the game is really small, that is just 6 MB. So if you are not having a powerful device, still you can easily play this game on your smartphone and start earning money and start collecting that money into your PayPal account. Let me show you one more application which you can download and start making money. It is known as Earn Cash Reward Make Money Games and Music. Okay, so this is also one of the best application to make money online, which is really awesome, and really any one of you can make money online with this easy to use application. You can see get play, you will be getting paid to play music and to play games for this application. Okay, and the thing is that it pays you money. Okay, search and play from 10,000 100k plus radio stations and earn up to $600 a year. Okay, I'm not gonna say that it is gonna make you rich, but still if you are earning money just by listening to music, playing games, then what is the harm in that? Okay, and you can see all you need to do is you can see play games and earn every minute you play. That is the best thing about this application, because every minute you are playing the game you are earning some money from this, and that is the best thing. As well as if you are keeping this as a lock screen on your smartphone, still you will be earning money from this website. That is one of the best thing which has ever happened. Okay, as well as you can see it has a rating of 4.4, which is a really high rating. Very as less applications get this kind of rating on Google Play Store, so it is a real legit application. And you can read all these reviews. Okay, so you can see in order to on in this app, you just choose to game, don't open it, and all these things are given. Okay, these people are writing these reviews, they are saying that they are making money as well as playing this game and enjoying it. Okay, it's more about playing and enjoying the games. And the best thing is that you can also earn money from that. That is the best thing. Okay, you can see you can get paid to play music. Current rewards allows you to earn cash rewards and all these things. It is available. Okay, real money. Okay, that is the best thing. Okay, yeah. Who pays you money for playing games? This application pays you. So definitely, if you are playing games on any on your smartphone and not earning anything, then utilize your smartphone in this productive manner and start earning money. Okay, you can see current music and all this stuff is available over here. You can play your favorite music, make money with it. Okay, once you have enough money on your current, select money rewards and cash out. Well, we'll send you an email. Okay, get paid for listening to music and all this stuff, which is really awesome. Okay, and you can see saving a gift card, cash tag rewards, all these things are available, so you can just cash out your money via gift cards. That is also one of the best thing, as well as it is on one of the top chart application on Google Play Store. So it is 100% legit and you can earn money with this application. Definitely go and download this application just after watching this video, because yeah, it really pays you money. And what can be better than just playing games on your smartphone and making money with that, which is not many people are doing in this world nowadays. How many people are getting paid to play games on the smartphone? Literally almost 1% of the people are making this kind of money. Not everybody is utilizing their smartphone in this productive way and making money, which is really easy, simple play. As well as you can see current rewards, free music app, earn money listening to music, playing games, and that is the both of the things are available for you. As well as you can also listen to so many of the radio stations with the world and top current songs and get paid to play games studios. That is also one of the best thing. I like this application because you get paid cash instantly for shopping and save money with the current. You can also earn gift cards, as well as you can earn money rewards by trying free games, apps, and even watching videos. So all the things are there. You can watch videos and make money, play games and make money, listen to music and make money. All things are everything is there in one. Okay, earn cash when you travel to department stores, convenience stores, restaurants, make money charging your smartphone. Yes, we make earning cash money. That's simple. And make money bonuses on current. Okay, so everything whatever you do on your smartphone, this is gonna pay you for that. Okay, load up rewards, offline listening, just record, Wi-Fi required to earn. Make more money by inviting friends. So you can also invite your friends to this application, send them your referral link, and if they sign up with your referral link, you are gonna earn extra money from that also, which is one of the best things. Okay, oh yeah, all the things, almost everything about this application is going to pay you money. So why not let this application sit on your phone for a while and make this kind of money easily, simply. And it's really simple, easy to utilize, does not require any rocket science. So if you are gonna download this applications on your smartphone, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and definitely take action, play games and make money online as soon as possible.